Welcome to my summer bedroom organization makeover. Let's transform this space for the warmer months. Seasonal organizing is key to a comfortable living space. Today we're focusing on transitioning the bedroom for summer. The goal is simple: pack away winter items and bring in lighter elements to create a relaxing summer retreat. We'll tackle 3 main areas: refreshing the bed, organizing the closet, and sorting through shelving and bulky items. Starting with the bed, a comfort refresh means adjusting for temperature and changing aesthetics. First, we're moving out all the heavy winter bedding. That means the quilt, comforter, and heating blanket are going into storage. We're swapping them out for lighter sheets, a skirt, and a thin tan comforter. Think airy and breathable for those warm summer nights. The space under the bed is perfect for storage. We're neatly folding and rolling seasonal clothes and bulky items to store under the box frame. Next, let's move to the closet. A clear and organized closet makes getting dressed in the summer heat so much easier. We're utilizing the existing closet rack space to keep summer essentials like robes and dresses easily accessible. To maximize storage, we're adding new storage foldables to the shelves and floor space for accessories and off-season items. Speaking of storage, let's talk about trendy solutions that are both functional and aesthetic. Wire baskets are currently a popular choice for home organization. They blend durability with a modern, sleek look. Their open-view design makes it easy to see and access contents. Plus, they fit seamlessly with various decor styles. Finally, let's address bulky items, like large 3-ring binders, which can take up a lot of space. To store them optimally, keep them vertically on sturdy shelves or stack them flat in low piles to prevent warping and page sagging. If you're looking for more compact replacements, consider accordion folders for daily use or banker's boxes for long-term archiving. With these steps, your bedroom is now decluttered, organized, and perfectly refreshed for the summer season. Take a look at the final organized space: clean lines, accessible storage, and a calming atmosphere ready for summer relaxation. Remember to follow these seasonal organization tips to maintain a beautiful and functional home all year round.